The Bongo Cat disk write error on Steam occurs when the game can't save or modify files on your hard drive during installation, updates, or launch. It's a common Steam issue, but it affects Bongo Cat players specifically due to Steam's interactions with Windows file systems. This prevents the game from properly writing data to the user's disk, which is needed to play the game. Several factors can cause this error. First, permission issues occur when Windows User Account Control or antivirus software blocks Steam's access to write files. Second, insufficient disk space or corrupted disk sectors can prevent Steam from writing data. This is especially problematic if your drive has bad sectors that can't store information properly. Third, file system conflicts can occur with how your drive is formatted, such as NTFS or exFAT configurations. While less common due to Bongo Cat's small file size, improper formatting can still cause write issues. Finally, overlays from programs like Discord or outdated drivers can interrupt the write process by conflicting with Steam's file operations. First, check that you have enough free disk space on the drive where Steam and Bongo Cat are installed. The game requires adequate space for installation and updates. Then, run Steam as an administrator. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or taskbar and select Run as Administrator. This grants Steam the permissions needed to write files to your disk, bypassing Windows access restrictions. Steam has a built-in tool to check for corrupted or missing game files. In Steam, right-click Bongo Cat in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will scan your game files and re-download any that are missing or corrupted, which can resolve write errors related to incomplete downloads. Overlays from programs like Discord or NVIDIA GeForce Experience can interfere with Steam's write processes. Temporarily disable these overlays or close the programs completely before launching Bongo Cat. You can use Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-S to close unnecessary background processes. Outdated graphics drivers can sometimes cause disk write errors by interfering with how files are written to storage. To fix this, update your GPU drivers to the latest version from the appropriate website. For graphics processing unit drivers, visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, depending on your graphics card model. Download and install the latest driver version available. Additionally, ensure your storage drivers are up to date. This can be done through Windows Update for built-in drivers or by visiting your storage hardware manufacturer's website for the latest versions. If the disk write error persists despite previous fixes, consider relocating your Steam library to a different drive. This advanced step can resolve issues related to drive fragmentation or file system errors on your primary drive. Drive fragmentation occurs when files are scattered across the disk, making it harder for Steam to write files efficiently. File system errors can also prevent proper data access. Moving the library to a different drive bypasses these issues. First, open Steam and navigate to the Settings menu. Click on Steam in the top menu bar, then select Settings. From there, go to the Downloads tab and click on Steam Library Folders. Next, in the Steam Library Folders window, click the Add Library Folder button. Choose a different drive, such as an external drive or another internal drive, and select or create a new folder for the library. Finally, in your Steam library, right-click on Bongo Cat, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Move Install Folder. Choose the new library folder you created on the different drive. Steam will move the game files automatically. This advanced relocation method can effectively resolve persistent disk write errors by utilizing a different drive with potentially better performance and fewer issues. Looking ahead, disk write errors are becoming less common as more users adopt SSDs and Windows continues to improve its error handling capabilities. Steam is also developing cloud-based installations, which should minimize disk write errors by handling data storage remotely. To prevent errors, ensure Steam is always updated to benefit from the latest fixes and improvements. Additionally, regularly check community forums for Bongo Cat-specific workarounds shared by other users.